How to create a room in Bloodstrike. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. One of the most fun feature in the Bloodstrike game is the ability to create custom rooms where you can play private matches with friends, practice skills, or set up friendly tournaments. In order to create a room, first of all launch the Bloodstrike game on a device and wait until you reach the main lobby page. From the home screen or the lobby page, go ahead and get to the button at the bottom right above the play button. Click on that and then select the mode you'd like to play. And then you'll be able to see this select mode page. Go to the top right corner and tap the room option. And at the bottom right, you'll see create room button. Click on that. Now, you can go ahead and enter a room name for yourself at the top. Choose the game mode for your room and click confirm. Now select the map on the next field. Some of the maps need downloading, so go ahead and do that after selecting the map. The next thing you don't want to forget is to enter the room password at the top. Once you do that, select the team size from the bottom, and once everything's done, click on confirm at the bottom right corner. And you have successfully created a room for yourself. You can now go ahead and invite friends to your room. Click the Invite Friends button at the bottom of the screen and then you can select a friend from your friend list. Go ahead and invite the player you want to join into your room. And once your friend accepts your request or once anyone joins into your room, you'll be able to play together, practice for fun matches, test new strategies without pressure from random players. So there you have successfully created a room for yourself. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.